I received this vacuum sealer by Bonsenkitchen to review. It has 4 upgraded vacuum pumps and has advanced globefish technology that has strong suction and can vacuum seal 50 bags in just 20 minutes, which makes it perfect for preserving bulk food and storing. It includes a 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support. It can preserve a variety of foods as it has 5 different functions: vac and seal for dry foods, pulse vac for soft, fragile, or moist foods. The seal button is for sealing the bags. It also has an extended seal for when you're vacuum sealing foods with liquids. And this accessory button is for vacuuming canisters, jars, or wine bottles with the external hose. The sealer comes with a starter kit that includes an easy-to-follow user manual, 2 bag rolls, one is 8 inches by 20 feet and one is 11 inches by 20 feet, and an external suction hose accessory for vacuuming jars and canisters. It's really easy to use too. You just place one of the bag rolls into the bag storage area and pull out the bag to this heating element and place the bag cutter down. Close it and press the power button, then press the seal button. When the seal button turns off, it means it's done sealing. Then pull out the bag to whichever length you need. This built-in cutter makes customizing your bag sizes so easy. I put my leftover steak in the bag and place the top of the bag in the vacuum chamber and then press the handle down. And I love that you're able to do this one-handed. This also locks in and secures the bag to ensure a tight and consistent seal. Next, press the vac and seal button. Another cool feature about this vacuum sealer is that it's super quiet when operating. The noise level is as low as 65 decibels. When it's done, the vac and seal button and seal button lights will turn off. Lift up the handle and you're all set. I was really impressed with how well this vacuum sealed my leftover steak. This Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer is a great gift idea for a family member or friend. It's versatile and easy to use, and I highly recommend it.